Welcome back to Cassidys Craveable Creations. I'm Cassidy and this is my husband Caleb. And today I'm going to show you how to make a Keto and Paleo Alfredo sauce that's creamy, rich, thick, delicious, and tastes just like the original. To see more delicious keto and paleo recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell below to be alerted each time I post a new video. So this is one of the most popular recipes on my site. It can be made with raw cashews or steamed cauliflower. It's warm, comforting, and crazy easy to make, and I'll have the full recipe in the description below. So to get started with the sauce, we're just going to add some butter or non-dairy butter or ghee to a pan over medium heat. And if you can't do ghee or non-dairy butter, you can also use oil. Probably avocado oil would work really good. And we're going to saute some garlic on it until it's nice and fragrant. And this won't take too long, maybe just 30 seconds to a minute. Yeah, you can start, depending on how hot your pan is. And so as soon as it's nice and fragrant, you're going to remove it from the heat because you definitely don't want it to burn. So now that the garlic's nice and fragrant, we're going to add it to the jar of a blender along with the rest of the sauce ingredients. Okay, so we'll just add the garlic and butter mixture here. Ooh. And get as much of the garlic and butter or oil or whatever you used go in there. Already smells so good. Garlic just smells good no matter what. Okay, so cashews, we're using raw cashews. Be sure not to use salted or roasted because it just won't turn out the same. And if you want it to be just a little bit lower carb, or if you have a nut allergy, you can use a head of roasted, cauliflower. Okay, so now chicken broth. Yes, a half a cup of chicken broth. A half a cup of water. Yes, that one.
I know what water is, I just, I'm nervous.
Lemon juice. And the fresh squeezed lemon juice is best. And for the seasonings, we have just a little bit of salt, pepper, tiny bit of onion powder. Ooh, let's get it all in. You want all the seasonings. Nutritional yeast, even though it's optional. Well, actually, I'm not so sure it's optional. It just adds a really good non-dairy cheesy flavor that you don't want to miss. And it's in the spice aisle of your local health food store. And then just a little bit of starch to give it a little bit of stretch. And you don't really need this in the cauliflower version, but in the cashew version is where it helps out more. Okay, so those are all the ingredients. And all we're going to do is blend this up and it's ready to go. So now that the sauce is done, I'm going to show you how to make some blackened chicken to go with the Alfredo sauce. We're going to use boneless, skinless chicken for this recipe. And if you have a big piece of chicken like these, they're really thick and they're really big. If you just season them and put them on the skillet, they're not going to taste good. You're going to have to cook them so long for them to cook through that they're going to be really tough and hard to eat. And that is definitely not what we want. We want juicy, tender chicken. So the only way to achieve this is to either pre-cut the chicken or to pound it down. And it really should be no more than 1 inch thick. So we're going to use this, I can't remember what this is called.
Hammer.
I think mallet. I think it's called a mallet.
Mallet.
The smooth side of a mallet. And before I had a mallet, I actually used my pan, and all my family thought I was crazy in here beating the chicken with the pan, but it will work. And so I just covered it with plastic wrap so the juices don't fly everywhere. And I'm going to have Caleb here pound it down. Okay, so these are about 1 inch thick. You don't want them to be more than 1 inch thick. I'll just put it, oh, okay, you can take it. And so we're just going to kind of season these with, we're going to put a little bit of oil on them. And then I have the seasonings in a bowl. I don't remember all the seasonings I put. I know I had paprika, chili powder, cumin, salt, pepper, garlic, onion. Did I have something else? I don't remember, but you know, the full recipe will be linked in the description below. So, and I'm just going to use my hands unless you want to do it. You don't mind getting your hands dirty with chicken, do you? They're clean, aren't they?
Yes.
Okay, as long as they're clean. Okay, so we're just going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on here and rub the olive oil in, or avocado oil, either one. And then we'll just season the chicken with these.
Give me a rub this in?
Yeah, rub it in really good.
With the seasoning.
Mm-hmm. Sorry. Okay, and then when you get that done, flip them over and we'll do the other side.
How's that look?
That looks good.
This one needs a little more.
Okay.
He feels lonely. He feels out of place.
Okay. Okay, so those look pretty good. So now we're going to heat a skillet over medium heat. And don't do high heat because the outside will burn before the inside gets cooked through. And you don't want that. So we're just going to do a nice medium heat. And we're going to cook them in any oil that you want. You can do butter, olive oil. We're just going to grill the chicken up now. Wow, this is smelling so good. We finished cooking the chicken. We let it rest a little bit and then we sliced it. And we just threw together some zucchini noodles cut with a ribbon blade. And there'll be a link to the recipe in the description below. And the sauce is thick and creamy and it has just such a really good cheesy taste. So let's just put it together, I guess. Let's just put some sauce on here. You want to use the fork to kind of toss it together?
Yes, I do.
Does it need more sauce?
I don't know. I like that. That's yes.
A little bit more?
Mm-hmm. That sauce is good. Want some more? Okay. Now what? You may try it?
Well, I was going to put some chicken on it.
All right.
You put the chicken on it?
Yep.
Sorry, I just can't help myself. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, let's put a little bit of sauce on top of the chicken.
Oh, yeah, that'll look good. I want to try this piece right now. Can I do this yet?
Yeah, go ahead. And try it.
I get to taste everything from now on?
Today you do. Here.
That's all right. I got some. I think I need another piece to make sure. It's really good. I want this piece right here. Oh, yeah.
Wow. I hope you enjoy this. Let me know in the comments below what you think. It tastes just like the original.
I don't really show them. I just am here to help.
What? Oh, okay. Welcome back to Cassidys Craveable Creations. Are you scratching your nose?
Yes. Forgot.
Are you ready?
It was on my nose and my forehead, but yeah.
Okay. It's rich. Oh, I messed up. What's the matter?
Itch.
Me too. That's why I did that. It's like, now, okay, go. Let's focus. It's like every time we start, I have an itch. I just, okay.
All right. So now that the garlic is nice and fragrant, we're just going to add everything to a food processor. It's not a food processor, a jar of blender. So now that the garlic is nice and fragrant, we're just going to add the garlic butter mixture along with the rest ingredient. So now that the butter's nice and fragrant, we're just going to add the butter. Did I say butter's fragrant?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I wasn't listening.